I'll break down the five biggest mistakes parents make when teaching Arabic, and more importantly, how to fix them. Are you unknowingly making mistakes that are holding your child back from learning Arabic? Many parents have the best intentions, but these common mistakes can lead to frustration and slow progress. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to avoid and how to help your child succeed with Arabic learning. Hi there, I'm Dana. For over 8 years, I've dedicated my career to helping young learners fall in love with the Arabic language. Are you trying to teach your child everything at once? Many parents dive into Arabic by teaching the grammar rules, vocabulary lists, lists and reading all at the same time. This overwhelms kids and makes learning feel like a chore. How to help your kids start small and build gradually. Focus on one area like vocabulary or speaking, but make it fun with games or songs. Consistency is better than intensity, as they say. But what happens when parents focus too much on memorization instead of understanding? Let's explore that next together. Is your child memorizing words but struggling to use them? Teaching kids to memorize lists of words without showing them how to apply them in real life can lead to frustration and forgetting. How to help them make learning practical. Use real life contexts like asking for things in Arabic at home or labeling items around the house. The more they use the language, the more it sticks. But what if your child doesn't seem interested in learning Arabic at all? Let's tackle that next. Is your approach to teaching Arabic all work and no play? Kids learn best when they're having fun. Making lessons over formal can drain their enthusiasm and lead to resistance. How to help them turn lessons into games? Try interactive apps, storytelling, or Arabic songs that engage your child's imagination. Keep the mood light and playful. But even with the perfect approach, what happens when parents are inconsistent? Let's look at the next mistake. Are you skipping days or changing your child's Arabic routine frequently? Inconsistent learning creates gaps that make it harder for kids and teachers, harder for kids to retain what they've learned, and harder for teachers to progress. How to help? Create a simple, manageable routine, just 10-15 minutes a day, because consistency, even in small doses, builds long form habits. But even if you're consistent, could your expectations be setting your child for failure? Let's explore the final mistake many people or parents especially do. Are these tips helpful? Subscribe for more practical strategies to make Arabic learning easier and more enjoyable for your child. And now, let's uncover the final mistake many parents make. Are you frustrated because your child isn't progressing as quickly as you'd hoped? Language learning takes time, and expecting rapid results can pressure kids and make them lose confidence. How to help? Focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate small wins like learning a new word or completing a short sentence. Encouragement builds their confidence and also it will build their love for the language, which is an important component for their success. But how can you bring all these solutions together to create an enjoyable Arabic learning experience. Let's wrap it up with my top tip. What's the best way to make Arabic learning a success for your child? The key is patience and a joyful approach. Language learning is a journey, not a race. By keeping lessons fun, consistent, and pressure free, you will help your child thrive. And final tip, make Arabic learning part of their daily life with songs, games, and family activities. And if you're wondering whether to prioritize reading or speaking Arabic first, don't miss my previous video. It's packed with insights to guide your child's language learning. See you next time. Bye bye.